Good morning, Tubby. Good morning, Tubby. Handsome cat, Tubby. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Share the 13,400 videos. A kentville folk artist, Dennis Ramsay. Always give me a thumbs up on the videos. Hi, Tub. How you doing, buddy? Love you, Tub. Tubby's a good-looking cat. Yes, sirree. Handsome cat, Tub. Love you, Tubby. Look at them pretty green eyes. He said, I'm a handsome cat. Yes, you are. Tubby's a good-looking cat. Ain't you, Tub? Good-looking fella. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. He's a cute fella. That Tubby's a cute cat. Love your cats and dogs and pets. A message from Dennis Ramsay. Remember, your cats and dogs are part of the family. Know what I mean? Please subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We're making memories here of Tubby the cat. Love your cats and dogs and birds and horses and all your pets. That's my message. And if you live in a town or a village with numerous stray cats and dogs, please start an animal shelter for these pets. Message from Dennis Ramsay. Canada's best folk artist is Dennis Ramsay, the king of kentville folk art, the folk art god, the icon, the legend, Dennis Ramsay of 27 Canaan Avenue, Kentville, Apartment B, Nova Scotia, Canada, yellow house, white trim. I'm in Apartment B upstairs. Knock on the door if you want to buy some paintings. I sell paintings at $30 each upwards. I do folk art, fine art, abstract art. Y'all take care now and have a nice day. And please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Shall you? Bye for now, folks. Have a good day.